All right, welcome back to another National PSI Real Estate Exam Prep. And today we're going to talk about contracts. And more specifically, we're going to go over 5 questions with their explanations as to why they are the answer. Under the statute of frauds, all contracts must be in writing to be enforceable. Under the statute of frauds, any agreement involving the transfer of real estate must be in writing to be legally enforceable. However, there is an exception for leases that have a duration of less than 12 months. These do not need to be in writing to be valid. Before closing, the seller backs out of the deal. The buyer sues for specific performance. The buyer is seeking conveyance of the property. A suit for specific performance is a legal action that compels the breaching party to fulfill their obligations as outlined in the original contract. Unlike other remedies, specific performance does not create a new contract, award monetary damages, or result in a deficiency judgment. It simply enforces the original agreement. The seller and buyer agree to terminate a contract with all things of value returned to each party. This is known as mutual rescission. When both parties to a contract agree to cancel the agreement and are returned to their original positions as if the contract never existed, this is called mutual rescission. On the other hand, mutual performance occurs when both parties fulfill their obligations under the contract, completing their agreement as intended. The status of a contract that meets all essential elements and is enforceable is called a valid contract. When a contract includes all the essential elements and can be legally enforced, it is considered a valid contract. However, if a contract involves duress, fraud, misrepresentation, or if one party is a minor, the contract is deemed voidable, meaning the affected party has the option to either enforce or cancel the agreement. The purpose of the Uniform Electronic Transactions Act, also known as UETA, is to harmonize state laws around the validity of electronic signatures. The purpose of the Uniform Electronic Transactions Act is to ensure that electronic signatures are legally recognized and have the same validity as traditional paper-based signatures. All right, this was 5 questions with their explanations as to why they are the answer. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe because we drop a new video every week to help you pass your national PSI real estate exam.